Hello friends, welcome to Teaching Aptitude MCQ series for SET examination, and this is episode 7. Today I will be dealing with the environment and ecology questions. So rules are simple. You pause the video when question appears on your screen and try to answer the question. Anyways, I will be answering the question at the same time. Write down your score in comment section if possible. And so to begin with, our first question is the World Environmental Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on. Option is 5th July, option B is 5th June, option C is 25th of January, and option D is 5th December. So friends, correct answer for World Environment Day is, it is 5th June. So friends, please remember, because for environment this is an important date to be one should have in mind. And the next question is, a part of large quantity of fly ash produced in the thermal power plant is used for. Option A is soil conditioner, B making bricks, C road making, D burning. So friends, as you know that a soil conditioner also it is been used, and road making also it is been used, and D burning also it is been used. But the part of a major part is been used for the making bricks. So our option is making bricks. So moving on, which of the following gases is largely responsible for global warming? Option A is sulfur dioxide, option B is carbon dioxide, option C is chlorine, option D is ammonia. So friends, if you have read about the greenhouse gases which are responsible for global warming, so they are ozone, water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is the main component, and option A sulfur dioxide, C chlorine, and ammonia are not the major contributor to the global warming. So you please read the greenhouse gases, you will understand that. So option here is B carbon dioxide, which is a major greenhouse gas. So friends, moving on to our next question, which of the following is not non-conventional energy source? Option A is solar, option B is tidal, option C is geothermal, option D is coal. So friends, the non-conventional energy sources, you can easily answer this question, as we know that solar, wind, that is tidal, wind, tidal, geothermal are the non-conventional energy sources, and the conventional energy sources is coal, petroleum, and other type of thing. So this atomic things are non conventional sources. So option here is D, coal. Moving on to the next, which of the following is the top of carnivorous animal? So friends, at the top is A bird, B option is snakes, C option buffaloes, D option tiger. So I hope C option can be easily eliminated, that is buffalo. B option and A option also can be eliminated, and because they are not at the top of the food chain. I request you to go through the food chain. So option here is D tiger. So friends, this was it for our today's lecture. Hope you have liked it. Please subscribe to our channel Global Online University for more updates. Thank you.